to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra. I'm from Cameroon, based in South Africa. I'm a beauty therapist, a hairstylist, and I love cooking. Today I'm bringing you to my kitchen to share some recipe. Let's go right into it. Our pan. Let's add some olive oil. Chicken is nicely done and crispy. So now we can add it into our vegetable. Give it a nice stir. Looking so yummy. Final seasoning. Now we are coming to the end of this video. Here is what the dish should look like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share. That has been it. See you guys in the next one.